The Share Articles Across Multiple Articles section feature in Flipper Site Developer CMS allows for the ability to share articles posted on one article section to other article sections, so there's no need to recreate posts. Now, unlike other CMSs, Flipper Site Developer CMS allows for multiple article sections or blogs under the same website. So let's say that you have an SEO team that they write only for only content about SEO, and you want them to be the only ones to be able to publish to that section. You can create a blog for them that's specific to them. And let's say you have a digital marketing team that they write content about digital marketing. And again, they are the only ones that are able to post to that blog or that section, article section. In Flipper, you can do this really easy. Just create a new section that's an article section. Once you do that, if you have content from, let's say, the SEO blog that the digital marketing audience would benefit from reading, but you don't want to copy and paste or go through all that process of figuring out how to share it on the digital marketing blog organically, with Flipper Site Developer CMS, you have the ability to share articles from different article sections. So, and I'm going to show you that real quick. I have 3 blogs here: our regular blog, SEO blog, and digital marketing blog. All of these are article sections within Flipper. And let's say I want to add some SEO blogs from our generic or our parent blog here. All the blog articles are listed here, and I'm just going to select some SEO ones. I can drag and drop. I'm going to go find some more here real quick. Say this one, and I'm hitting control click to select multiples, and then I can just drag and drop. The other cool ability that this article manager allows is, if say you want this one to be the top one, you just drag it to the top, and that's the way it's going to display. Once you do that and you're happy with the articles you're assigning to the SEO blog article section, simply hit Save Changes. Now, when someone goes to the SEO blog article section, they will be able to see these articles. And again, we're sharing them from this blog to this blog. Now, let's say I want to add a new blog to a new article to the SEO blog. I simply hit Add Article. I'm going to title this SEO blog post. And then I want to display the date, summary, and then I'm going to tag this articles and sections, blog post, and I am going to hit Add Article. And as you can see it's there. So this article section has articles that are being shared from a different article section or different blog within the same website. Plus, I can add my own. And let's say that the digital marketing team really liked this SEO blog post because it's relevant to their audience, and they want to share it on their article section or blog. It's very easy to do. Just hit Manage Articles. You can search by title, and I have 2 there, so I am going to select one of them and just hit Save Changes. And again, when people go to this article section within the website, they can see this blog, the SEO blog post, which again was written by the SEO team, and it's displayed now on both article sections or both blogs. So that's a cool new feature with Flipper Site Developer CMS, the ability to share articles across article sections.